Now it is able to maintain better. It's dropping bitrate. Okay. I am live. See that I am live. Okay, anyway, I can see a better constant bitrate, so I wouldn't really bother with the preview. And I obviously pasted the problem to ChatGPT, and for some reason it directly gave me the answer instead of nudging me in the right direction. So I'm kind of correct with this, that we have to do a better lookup instead of doing a search. Like, instead of trying the n square, what I can do is this in of n square. All we are doing is a search, right? So how do we eliminate eliminate that, or optimize it to be done in of 1? So the eliminate, I miss eliminate. So one thing I could think of was hash map, okay? But the real answer is actually hash set, which I think LeetCode uses hash map only, right? So hash set is fine. If I just look at one of these, that hash set, it just creates some hash map at the okay. The constructor just uses a hash map. Damn. But yes, set doesn't allow duplicates, and I don't really care about duplicates. So there is that. So what they do is you just go through each number or int num in nums. You put it inside the set, which would fix our lookup problem. Set dot add num. Okay. Now for every number, we just check. See, one of the issues that I got to understand once I talked to ChatGPT was, you don't want to look for every number whether its previous number is present. Like, that's not how we can chain it. One thing that we must do is find whether the number is start of a sequence. This is important that I absolutely missed. So in max length, which we need to return now. Oh no, no, no! Obviously, I'm just trying to spit it out of memory. And then we just go through nums once again. Num in nums. If not set dot contains num minus 1, yeah, that means it is start of sequence, right? If it contains this, then that means it's not. If it is not the start of sequence, while set dot contains the next number in sequence, num plus 1, yeah. Once we have in counter equal to, or maybe you can just call it current length equal to 0, because we have found the start of the sequence, right? Or rather 1, while set dot contains num plus 1, that is the next number. We just do num plus plus, not num, yeah, num plus plus, and current length plus plus. And then once we have gone through it, we just do max length equal to math dot max length. I think I am able to do it without even using a library, so it would be the current length. Current length, if current length is greater than max length, then current length, otherwise max length. If we have a larger number, then only we substitute, otherwise we just keep it same, right? If it is less, you don't touch the max length we have found so far. If it is equal to, it doesn't matter. What is wrong with you? Can be replaced with max. Call wow id wow. Anyway, it wants me to use that. So far so good. The math is not an external library. I did not know it's from java.lang, because it didn't add the import over here. Okay. Find whether the number is start of the sequence. If set contains previous number. If set does not contain, then it is start of the sequence. Then you just set the current length, and while we have the next number, you just do this. I don't think so we are missing anything else here. Yeah. Where is this for loop ending? Return max length. Let's just paste this and try running, because I don't think so that ChatGPT could be wrong. I haven't copy pasted the solution from ChatGPT, but I read it, and then from memory I'm trying to rewrite it, because I clearly failed. How can I solve it? there is one more thing that's called union find. Okay. And we got a TLE on 81st test case. Great. Very great. Am I missing something? And current num is num and length is 1. Okay, I think I'm modifying yeah, I'm modifying the num equal to num. I should just get a copy. Instead of doing this, I might still get TLE. But damn it. Huh. So even though this is logically sound and still this is still not O of n. It says it's O of n. I don't know why it gave me the solution instead of nudging me, but anyway. This is not O of n. Evaluate complexity again. Why do I think it's not O of n? Is because you're going through all set of numbers at least twice. This is technically O of 2n. Let me search this. O of n plus O of n time complexity. See, it does get merged into O of big N again, a big O of n again. Because you can always just yeah, the sum is 2n, but asymptotic growth. Okay, so the constant is ignored, but we are hitting TLE for sure. So I think the only thing that works is union find something. Best optimal solution, the secret of hash set. Right, yeah, sequence starts here. It's doing the exact same thing. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So how do people get so much time to not only solve but also document so much? What is this guy doing? Okay, this is some recursive call. My god. This is sorting one. As I said, it would be off and again, and all you need to do is just reset the sequence. Another map after it takes so much time. Another map. Yep, as I thought one of the approach could be creating a Boolean map. That's what it's doing. and then it checks whether it's true. If it's true, you just set to 0, and while dot count this. What is this count function? Okay, see, it's checking whether it contains a count greater than max then count. Huh. I'll appear the closer reveal that it reveal it to be linear because the while loop is reached only marks the beginning of the sequence. What is this guy talking about here? Okay, he went from map to set. And then why are we not able to solve this? I feel like I made a bug by not doing it properly. So yeah, looks like we can't even properly copy. Let it be. Copying is also skill these days. What's missing? Getting really. Why are we doing this? Why am I so stupid? Why are we just not checking the set? How stupid can I be? Yes, the question is yes. And I'm wondering why is this not working? God damn it. I should have just inspected my own code and compared it with ChatGPT instead of wasting tokens on this. I really feel stupid. Anyway, I think I'm done with the essay for today and it's already late. So,